Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to send confirmation emails in Google Forms. By default, Google Forms collects responses but does not send confirmation emails automatically. To enable this feature, you can use an add-on like Performnoti. First, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Performnoti email notification and press Enter. Install the Performnoti email notification add-on. As you can see, I already have it installed. After installation, open the add-on from the puzzle icon. When the pop-up window opens, scroll down. Go to Customize Email Template, which is the easiest setup option. Here you'll see two options, respondent and recipient. When someone submits the form, an email is sent to you as the owner. You can customize this message directly from here. After submission, the respondent will also receive a confirmation email. You can customize the sender name, reply to address, and other email options. Once finished, click Save to apply the settings. Confirmation emails are especially useful for registrations. They are also helpful for surveys, quizzes, or event signups. They provide instant acknowledgement or additional instructions. Google Forms does not send confirmation emails by default. Using add-ons allows you to notify respondents automatically and customize messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.